Hi, I'm Michael Deere. I started this company 32 years ago called Spy Center Security. I was basically in the private investigation business all my life, sweating, freezing, waiting for something to happen or people to move. You know, it's all about attention to detail. There's just so much junk on the market today compared to the old days. I was the young guy in the industry, now I'm the old guy in the industry.
Spy Center Security.
Spy Center Security.
Spy Center Security.
Spy Center Security.
Spy Center in Dallas this morning with the latest on spy gadgets.
I think this is going to be kind of fun. I ordered some cheap value, whatever you want to call them, cameras off of Amazon to give you my personal opinion on both the advertisement of it and the actual results of it, of each of them. So they're like a $10 camera, a $20 camera, and a $30 camera. So let's take a look. So first off, I want to read the listing. These always amuse me. It does say 1080p, HD resolution, app included, Wi-Fi. It only works on 2.4 gigahertz, not the 5. Nowhere does it really say how long battery life is, which to me is as important as anything else, because I don't know how long it is. It doesn't say. And also, I'm going to be real curious about the size of it, because of the picture, the picture makes it look like at most a quarter size. Yes, it's funny, it just says battery powered. So now let's unbox it and take a look. And here's the camera. All right, well, it is quite a bit bigger than the picture. I'm holding it the same exact way. Here it is. Look how thick it is. Yeah, so it is a little bit misleading there, and it's very, very light. So I can't imagine a very big battery or a very long battery life, which we'll test and show you both the resolution of the camera and the battery life. All right, so here we're showing you some of the video resolution. You know, not bad during the day, but it's still not what they advertise or claim. It's not 1080p, it's 480. It's 12 frames a second. The battery life is less than 30 minutes, which I would believe because it's so light. The other thing I don't like about it, and that's why they sell it for $10, is that on the app, all these ads pop up. You know, that's why they're selling it for $10. They're selling it likely below cost, and they're making their money off these ads and maybe cloud storage or something else. But, you know, it is what it is. 30 minutes, I don't know what that's good for, quite honestly. But yeah, during the day, not, you know, good little picture, but it'd be nice if they told the truth on, you know, the resolution. So let's move on to the next one. So now we're going to test the second camera that we ordered from Amazon that says it's a 4K wireless camera with app, SD, portable, night vision. It shows to be quite small. I mean, like maybe nickel size, I'm not sure. But let's unbox it. Let's take a look. So here it is. All right, so obviously the first thing you'd see is that it is not anywhere close to the size that the picture shows. So I don't really care for that. It is super light, very plastic. I can't imagine a long battery life. Let's see if it actually, no, it doesn't really say battery life that I can see. It does say one A battery required. I don't know where or how, because there's nowhere to stick a battery, so you know, it's just another weird thing about it. So now let's take a look at the video that this thing produces, and you know, we'll go from there. All right, one of the first things we'll see is, you may not tell by the human eye, but it's not 4K. It's 480p, which is substantially less. It's not even close. And that's the key people don't realize, is that it's just not the item, it's the software that drives the item that's very important, maybe the most important. Yet again, had ads. The battery life was only a few hours. So, you know, to me, battery life, quality of camera, and app are all important. They all go together. Overall, it is what it is. I mean, you know, I'm not going to say much about it. It's not really, I don't know what you use it for, quite frankly. All right, let's move on to the third. Let's end with the third camera that we ordered. This one was, hey, the most expensive at $30. It says HD spy camera. You know, it says night vision. It shows that it's micro size. I mean, tiny, tiny, tiny. This one says 300 minutes. 300 minutes. What's that, 5 hours? So we're gonna test that. But I really like the descriptions. This is the best part. Starlight level night vision. Equipped with advanced, environmentally adaptive night vision technology, which can cope with various lighting conditions. Excellent, providing clear and vivid video. So let's go from there. Let's unbox it. Let's see what it actually looks like compared to the picture. That's always the fun part. All right, here we go. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's got to be 5 times bigger than the picture. Look at it. And then look how thick it is. I will say, the way they've got the smoked plastic, that means it likely does have infrared, where a lot of them claim they do and they don't. So let's take a look at what the video looks like and how long does the battery last. All right, now you're seeing the video. This is the best of the 3 for sure. It actually does do 1080p. Good in the daytime, no complaints. And it actually does have night vision at night, so that's not too bad. But the funny part is, the battery life that claims 5 hours, for us it only got 40 minutes. So I don't know. I mean, this is to me a buyer beware thing like anything else. The good news is with Amazon, you can just ship it back, because I think it's hilarious, some of the stuff you see. I just don't like the size discrepancy, because I mean, buyers don't know what they're getting. All right, hope you enjoyed that. I enjoy going through those cameras from Amazon. I don't care for it. I don't like the misleading listings. I don't like the inaccuracies of battery life. I don't like the buggy software. I don't even think the products are worth $10, $20, $30. You're just wasting money, in my opinion. With a company like ours that have been in business 33 years, you can talk to somebody. We only sell products that work, and of course, if there's an issue, we take care of it. You spend a little more money, but you get a product that actually is going to solve the problem. And those are the main things I wanted to take away. Amazon's great. Everybody loves Amazon. I love Amazon, but just not for this type of product. That's where specialty providers like myself and others are the best way to go. So, hope you enjoyed. We'll try this again down the road and see what other crazy stuff we get on Amazon.